So the next step that I've done is taken apart the swivels or spindles or whatever you want to say. So I took the swivels out of the housings. So even though they are 50 years old, over 50 years old, they're in really good shape. See some slight little scratches here, but still they are no pits, no nothing. Same with this one. It's super smooth. There's no rust spots on it or nothing. So I lucked out there, so I don't need new swivels. So I pulled them out of the housings, which I have freewheel hubs on the spindles. So they just pulled right out, which I guess is normal. I don't know. I guess if it's not freewheeling, then this would have a nut on the end of it, which looks like it would normally have one, but it doesn't have one. So next thing, got those out, and I'm going to clean those all up. So the worst part is inside the spindle housings, because this is 25-year-old grease in here, and it's just plain nasty. It's just caked in here. It's got a bunch of rust inside. So I plan to clean all this out and clean down inside the bearings as much as I can as well. See, it's got like just nastiness from sitting for so long. So the bearings, let's see here, the bearings on there, these bearings seem to be fine. They have no play in them or anything. The swivels themselves have no play, and same with the ball joints, the whatever those are at the swivels. So anyways, so I'm going to be cleaning all this up and everything and getting that done next. All right, see you next time.